Light is the main focus of this unit. We shall describe different phenomena of light such as reflection, refraction, and total internal reflection. We will learn how images are formed by mirrors and lens, and will discuss working principle of compound microscope and telescope. Reflection of light. When a ray of light from air along the path falls on a plane mirror, it is reflecting amount part of the ray. The ray EO is called incident ray, while the ray OB is called reflected ray. The angle between incident ray O and ray NaON is called angle of incidence, represented by the angle between the normal and reflected ray. NOB is called angle of refraction, represented by R. Now we can define the phenomena of reflections as when light traveling in a certain medium falls on the surface of another medium, a part of it turns back in the same medium. Law of reflection in the incident ray of the normal and the reflected ray at the point of incidence all in the same plane. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Types of reflection. Nature of reflection depends on smoothness of the surface. For example, a smooth surface of silver reflects rays or of light in on one direction only. The reflection by these smooth surfaces is called regular reflection. A figure of regular reflections. Most of the objects is everyday world are smooth, not smooth on the microscope level. The rough surfaces of these objects reflect the rays of light in the many directions. Such types of reflection is called irregular reflection. Spherical mirrors. Mirrors whose polished reflecting surfaces are part of a now spheres of glass or plastic is called spherical mirrors. A spherical spherical mirrors of two curved surfaces is coated with a thin layer of silver followed by coating of red lead oxide paint. Thus, one side of these spherical mirrors in opaque and the order and the other side is a highly polished reflecting surface. Depending upon the nature reflecting, there are two types of the spherical mirrors: concave mirror and convex mirror. We definitions: concave mirror are spherical mirror whose inner curved surface is reflecting is called concave mirror. In concave mirror, the size of the image depends on the positions of the object. Both virtual and real images can be formed by a concave mirror. Convex mirror, spherical mirror, whose outer curved surface is reflecting is called convex mirror. In convex mirror, the size of the images is always smaller. The object only virtual and erratic images is formed by convex mirror. Image location by spherical mirror formula. How can we tell about the nature of image? whether image is real or imaginary, inverted or erect, formed in a mirror. How can we tell about the size of the image compared with the size of the object? To answer these questions, one method is graphic or ray diagram, but can also these questions by using a mathematical formulas called mirror formula, defined as mirror formulas is the relationships between object distance images equations is true concave and convex mirrors. However,